pick it up in AM mode. Not sure what it is. September 14th, 2016 at 22:32. Zulu, that is. Some of them are very faint. September 14th, 2016, 22:33 Zulu. Not sure if this is WeFax or what it is. WeFax is WeatherFax, I mean. Facsimile. Comes in quite strong for an antenna that I don't tune on this band listening. Shortwave. September 14th, 2016. 22:33 Zulu. Universal time. Okay, now it stopped. September 14, 2016, 22:35 Zulu. Not sure what this is. Let me tune up a little bit. What the hell is that?